Hello, good afternoon to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can create a Gmail signature with your photo within 1 minute, not even within 1 minute, less than a minute. You can create Gmail signature or any email signature as a photo, and you can keep this photo as the Gmail signature. I'll show you. All that you need to do is right from your phone, you can do this. Open Play Store and download an app called Canva. If you already have Canva, well and good. If you don't have this app, just install this. Okay, this is already installed. Open this. If it asks you to for sign up for the first time, you can sign up. Once you're here, on the search bar at the right top, just search as Gmail signature. I'm just searching Gmail signature. You can search for email signature also. Anything, it will display some results. Means predefined templates will be available there. All that we need to do is just replace. For example, this one, this design. See, this is already predefined and everything is available. All that we need to do is just change the photo and the details. For example, if you want to change this, tap on that, so you'll get the editing. I'll just maximize this and I'll show you. Once you tap on this, your keyboard will be appearing and you can give some your real phone number, and next your real email id. Okay, email id at the rate of something.com. And if there is your website, you can give your website. But remember, as we are creating an image, the links which you given here won't be clickable. If you want a clickable link, I'll already done a video on that, and if you want that type of signature, you can go through that video. There is a video in the description, you can go to it. And coming to the image, tap on this image, click on replace at the bottom, and click on you can select from the gallery, or you can upload your photos from this and you can select one picture. Okay, you can change your title, everything, and you can click on this download symbol. Once you download this gets downloaded to your phone internal storage. I'll show you how you can keep this picture as Gmail signature on the laptop. Please watch this till the end. See, I'll continue the later part here. I just mailed that Canva created image to this laptop Gmail account. I have logged in here and I have clicked on download. So it's get downloaded to this internal folder. See here, this Canva created email signature image is now on my computer. What I'll do is I'll click on this settings gear icon for the general settings. See all settings. Under general, if you scroll down, you will be able to see this signature at the bottom. See here, I'll delete already existing ones. I'll delete this one also. I'll click on create new and I'll name it as something like Canva created, Canva image signature, something like that. It is absolutely your choice for the recognition purpose. You can click on create, and here is the option to load the image. So I'll click on upload because this image is on my computer. Yeah. So under downloads, this is the email signature what I have created on the Canva app. So I'll click on open, it gets uploaded, and that's it. I just need to save and compose the email, and this, see here, my email signature as an image is attached now. I need to click on save changes. Then if I click on compose here, see here, when I try to compose this email, the signature what I have just uploaded and saved is right on here. This is an image created signature, so it is very simple and easy. For example, for if any case, if you are not able to find this email signature, what you need to do is when you click on compose email, you need to click on the symbol which is the signature symbol. Maybe this option is set to no signature, that's why you are unable to see this signature. You need to click on that particular name what you have created to that, and that gets added to your email. So this is how you can have an image as the email signature on Gmail. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice